a child, I always wanted to sleep on a bunker bed, especially on top. And this is exactly what got me to Woodywood. When you were a kid, you would have had that one thing you always wanted to do but never got to. And one such unfulfilled desire of mine when I was a kid was sleeping on a bunker bed. When I was young, the concept of kids' furniture wasn't very popular and parents tended to overlook the importance of them. But things are not the same as before. With growing needs and increasing awareness, there are now more takers for kids' furniture. After all, it's about making your child's space safe, comfortable, and of course, interesting. And Woodywood is one place where you can find just this.
Woodywood started out about 6 to 7 months ago. The main idea was from a conversation between my wife and her father. He manufactures children's furniture for the Australian and European market in Sri Lanka. And so far the response has been really great, and we wish to continue and maybe establish our brand in Tamil Nadu and eventually all over India.
The first thing you need to keep in mind while picking up furniture for your kid is the safety aspect. And the furniture at Woodywood is child safe as they use non-toxic paint. With so many attractive options, you are tempted to pick up almost everything you see. But you must ensure that your kid's room is equipped not just with the necessary furniture but safe ones at that. And Woodywood promises you furniture that is child safe.
We give a lot of attention to the safety aspect. Basically we use non-toxic paints, lead-free, and apart from that non-toxic. So there is no chance that with touching or biting, even a toddler would get any kind of toxicity into their system. Furthermore, we look at the edges, we make sure everything is rounded nicely. Nowhere where like a child's finger could get caught or anything like that.
With a new addition to your family, the first thing you will want to give your baby is comfort. And one thing that figures on the list is a cradle or cot. Woodywood has options of both, and since they are of appropriate height and use non-toxic paint, they make a safe buy.
I'm actually expecting my first in a couple of months. So we decided to come here because we saw it especially on Facebook, and we really liked the furniture and the finish of it actually at first. Once I came here, what I liked about it most was it's all child friendly, And for a parent, I guess there's nothing more important. Forget the colors or the designs or whatever, it's all child friendly. It's safe, and I like that very much.
Whether you're 5 or 50, you call your friends home to spend the night. The trend of sleepovers has caught on. Now, if there's no space in your kid's room to put another bed or cot, all you have to do is get a trundle. Sleepovers. My parents almost all the time disapproved of them, but I couldn't resist having them. And one problem we all faced during sleepovers was lack of space. 5 of us used to cram up on one single bed. Though there are moments I would never forget, it's not always the best option. Since the entry of trundles, making space is far from a worry. You just have to get one fixed under the bed. It's absolutely convenient and a great space-saving idea. To every father, their daughter is a princess. And what's better than buying them something from the princess collection? And trust me, no baby girl will say no to pink. And the best part is, if you buy the entire collection, you'll get the furniture at a discounted price. Every little girl dreams of being a princess. and parents do everything possible to make her feel like one. Woodywood makes this a much easier possibility by offering a princess collection for your dainty darlings. But if you think the princess theme is overdone but still want to make it special for your girl, let her dance away on her toes with the ballerina collection. The furniture is subtle white with simple ballerina screen prints. Cars and boys, you can never keep them apart. So the boys' car range of furniture is best suited for your son with a simple white and blue theme. Keeping a child's safety in mind, since stickers are removable, screen prints are used.
If you don't want to stereotype or are bored of pink and blue, then you can pick up something from the Safari collection. And it's ideal because it's unisex and suits both boys and girls.
My favorite at Woodywood, the Safari collection. It's a safe choice if you're expecting and are unsure of the sex of the baby, and is the best choice if you have both a boy and a girl. And if your child is fascinated with animals, this collection is more than perfect.
Teenagers keep changing their mind every second day, and I was no different. And they don't need a reason to complain or crib. So getting them a particular design or color is not the best idea.
Your child invariably has to step into the beautiful yet confusing phase of teenage. They would change their mind by the minute and would be in the process of figuring out who they actually are. Instead of being impulsive and giving them what they ask for, you could just pick up furniture from the teen collection, which is simple, and you could ask your teenagers to customize it to suit their tastes. It saves you the hassle of buying furniture over and again and also gives them space to be creative. But if you aren't too happy with the options and want something much more unique and also have the time and money to spare, then you can opt for customized furniture.
We do customize it for them. It's a little more pricey to customize furniture because we have to make it solely for them only. Usually all our furniture is made in bulk, that's why it's a little cheaper. So for customization we have to make single pieces.
When you think of a kid's room, all you can think of is a mess. And you can't blame them, can you? To help them keep the room clean, you have to give them a good storage unit where they can stuff in all their clothes, books and toys.
Kids are bound to spend a lot of their time in their rooms. And quite obviously, you can't expect it not to be a mess. It becomes very important to provide them with good storage space and also teach them how to use it. With great utility value, storage units make a good investment and with a few modifications can be used even after your kid has outgrown it.
What the customer wants and what the child wants importantly, and in terms of storage, what they want to store and how many things they have. That again depends on their age and how long they want to use the furniture for. If they want to use the furniture for a long time, then we rather have more storage because as they grow they'll have more stuff and more junk to put away. So straight away then we'll design some units with more storage in it.
But apart from the usual cots, dressing table and wardrobe, Woodywood has an interesting piece of furniture, the art activity table. It serves two purposes. It can be used as a normal study table and by flipping the board becomes a drawing table. Woodywood also has bedspreads from a brand called Tangya that uses eco-friendly cotton, which with more use becomes softer. They also have a little row of books made of handmade paper, which includes some books written by Anushka Ravishankar.
With all this cute furniture around me, I want to be a kid all over again. Anyway, I'm going to make the most out of it now and I'm going to go sleep on the Elmo bed.